Hi everyone, today we are going to discuss a topic about sliding window protocol. So in sliding window protocol, actual transmission, if you want to send multiple number of packets or frames continuously without getting an acknowledgement, we can prefer the sliding window protocol. So actual transmission in the sense we have to get the acknowledgement. So if we get the acknowledgement only, the transmission will be an efficient transmission. In sliding window protocol, the sender sending multiple number of frames without getting the each acknowledgement. So now the window size and the number size. For an example, window size. In window size, if you are choosing the window size as in a 4. So in window size as in a 4 in the sense, you will send 4 numbers of frames. So if you are sending the 4 numbers of frames, the receiver has to access those frames and they have to acknowledge that particular frames. So the window size is 4, the receiver giving the acknowledgement for the first frame. So the receiver giving the acknowledgement of the first frame in the sense, then the sender has to send the next frame, which is nothing but the sender has to extend their window size to forward, slides the window forward. So at the same time, the receiver receiving the frames, then they have to accept that frames, they have to slides their window, shift their window shift forward. In sender side, we are window slide forward. In receiver side, window shift forward. For an example, you can say take this diagram, you will understood. So in this, we have in sliding window protocol, we are mentioning the 7 windows here. 7 window size as in a 7 window size, the number of transmission frames are 0 to 6. So which is nothing but 7 only. So now we are transmitting this. For an example, for 0, we are centered the 0 has been received. Okay, na? After sliding and before sliding. So the 0 has been centered. Then actually next we have to send the 2 to 0. So what I told already, the one frame has been acknowledged in the sense, automatically the slides will be getting forward. The next frame will be added to the sender side. Then automatically the sender has to send the next frame to the receiver. So likewise, the sender sending the second frame, the second frame also acknowledgement received. So on that time what will happen? Then the sender has to send the next frame, the receiver after giving the acknowledgement. Likewise, the window size has to be extended in the receiver side. So now the showing centers and window side, we can say the real-time example of online video buffering. So for online video buffering in the sense, sender will send some multiple number of videos chunks ahead. So receiver has to buffer that video and they will come to know about the original content. Okay. So buffering in the sense of streaming the video. For an example, Netflix content or whatever it may be, it's also buffering streaming videos only. So likewise, it's improve the efficiency like in a stop and wait protocol and basis of ARP protocol. It's not about that. Go back and or select repeat. It's in a sliding window protocol technique. Thank you.